'cause every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I can't be the only one. I bet there's hearts all over the world tonight, with the love of their life who feel what I feel without you. With you, with you, with you.
I am Jeremiah Tiangco, and my screen name is Jeremiah Tiangco, but you can call me Maya. Actually, nagkaroon kami ng mutual understanding ni Kuya na kantahin namin yung With You by Chris Brown. Parang sabi ko, ako, syempre bilang isa si Kuya Kel sa mga tinitingal ako din sa R&B industry. Masasabi ko na favorite part ko ng is yung buong process, kumbaga. Ayun. Okay. Basketball po. So, dati po akong basketball player nung high school. Since first year college. Ang pinaka preparation na ginawa ko is sleep talaga. At the same time, kumbaga yung mindset mo, parang, ako parang hanggang ngayon, parang hindi ako makapaniwala na andito rin ako eh. Ay, napakasarap, napaka-surreal. Kumbaga, hanggang ngayon, overwhelmed. At the same time, honored. Masaya. Lalo na yung nag-i-interview ang bait. Ganun. Actually, napakasaya, as always, napakagaang kasama ng MML. So yun guys, abangan niyo po ang aming cover ni Kuya Kel at abangan niyo po ito sa kanyang social media. Siyempre sa social media ko din dahil panigurado magugustuhan niyo po ito. And maraming salamat again MML for having me here. Guys, please do watch All Out Sundays. Every Sunday po yan. 12 noon, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. At the same time, meron po akong ilalabas na music sa Spotify. Just type Maya, M space I space A space H, Maya. Ayan, may ilalabas po akong kanta sa June 22, so sana po, abangan niyo po ang aking mga songs na ilalabas. Yan po. Masaya. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Pan.
Thank you.
And I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. 'Cause every kiss and every hug, you make